Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Halala. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Guys, I come to you announcing nothing but good news, as today is the time of the year whereby matric results are announced, and I'm quite happy to bring you the good news that Abongwe Mseleku has made her parents Umacele and Mseleku very proud, as she has passed her matric with flying colors. So, proud father Mseleku revealed that his daughter Abongwe Mseleku has bagged 3 distinctions on her matric result and has obtained a bachelor's pass rate. Mseleku took to Instagram to announce the good news of his daughter and wrote this, you guys. Congratulations, Abongwe Lizwili Kamama Mseleku, for getting 3 distinctions. You have made your mother proud. The whole family is so proud. I am humbled by your commitment. Now there you have it, guys. Please do let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And once again, a very big congratulations to Abongwe. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I will see you on my next one. Bye.